Hi friends, want to make your videos look super smooth and pro? Today I'll show you how to master transition effect in a simple way. Even if you're just starting, let's go step by step. Stick with me till the end because I will show you a secret transition that will make your video pro. Most people don't know this trick. Part 1, Basic Transition. First, let's start with the basic. A simple cross dissolve. Drag your two clips on the timeline. Then go to Effect panel and search Video Transition. Here is the video transition file. Then you will choose Cross Dissolve. Drop in between the two clips and see that smooth and clean. I will fix the scale value on the video layer. Select Set to Frame. If I play the video again, you will see the cross dissolve animation. Use this when changing the skin slowly. Part 2, Swipe Transition. Now try to swipe transition. It adds some motion. Go to Effect and search Slide. I will remove the previous effect on this time. Then drag this slide onto the start of the second clips. In the Effect control, change the direction left to right. Works great. If I play the video, looks cool, right? Use it for vlogs and travel videos. Part number 3, Zoom in effect. Next, let's level up. A zoom in effect makes your video feels more dynamic. Next, both clips together. Select the layer and add keyframes for scale and position. Make the zoom happen fast, like 3 to 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then increase the scale value to zoom it. Now it feels like a camera zoom. Part 4, Make Reverb Transition. Now let's go pro. That one looks hard, but I'll keep it easy. I will remove next layer. Now let's go pro. This one looks hard, but I'll keep it easy. Put your second clip above the first. Then use the pen tool marks on the top clips. Animate the marks to reverb the second clip. Then turn on the stopwatch icon on the scale value. Then move 10 frames forward. Press Shift and right arrow key on this keyboard 2 times. 1, 2. Then decrease the scale value 0%. Boom, now it looks like super cinematic. If I move the keyframes, you will see slow effect. Finally, here's the secret tips I told you about, the light flash transaction. Add a white color matte between two clips. Create color matte. Select the white color and hit the OK button and add color matte between two clips. Make it short like 2 frames. One, two, 1, 2. Add cross dissolve both sides of it. Then make it short, the cross dissolve. Quick and flashy, great for the cards or music videos. I'll remove the previous effect on the second clip, delete masking here and fix the scale value. And play again. You did it, you know now. how to master transition effect. Which one was your favorite? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy editing tips. See you in the next one.